Hello there guys, glad to see all of you watching another video of mine. So in this video what I'm going to show is how we can connect to different Google APIs using their key by creating their key from mm, Python script. Uh, or more precisely I should be saying that I would be showing how we can generate our own API key for different Google APIs. Okay, that would be a better way of explaining today's agenda. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's first of all, for creating uh, API keys, the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to the console.developers.google.com, uh, console.developers.google.com, and this will take us to the Google console from where we can create different projects to manage different Google APIs. Okay, so over here, this is my project, and you can see I have only one project right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new project over here. Okay, and I'm going to just name it anything, whatever you want to name. Let's say I'm going to enable YouTube API today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type YouTube API. That's it, YouTube API. Okay, and I'm going to create. It will take some time to create this project. Let's give it a minute or so. Okay, so the project is started. So now we can either get into the project by clicking on this select project, or we can just click on this drop down and select our project. So this, okay. Okay, now we are inside a project. Now, the next thing that we need to do is that we need to enable the APIs for which we need to create API key for. So right now we need to click on YouTube over here and we get this YouTube data API 3. Okay, and this basically, this API, what it does is that we are able to get data of YouTube through the API, like the channel description, the details, the metadata of the channels or videos that we are interested in. Okay, so let me just enable this one, and in few moments it will be enabled. Okay, so it is enabled. Okay, and this shows that this is enabled. Now to access this thing, to access this particular key API, what we can do is that there are two ways of accessing it. The best way is by creating your API key. Okay, so to create the API key, what we need to do, we just need to click on create credentials and click on API creating it. Create API key. Okay, so once that is done, it will just take some moment and it will create our API key. That's it. So we can copy this thing and then we can paste it into a Python script. Okay, so this is the API key. Again, you can always show this key, or you can again regenerate, edit API key. That is, we'll get a new API key for this particular project. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you over here. Uh, that's it, I guess. Nothing else. You're like, I think nothing more to discuss about this one. This was a very short video, I know. So let's meet in my next video. Okay, yeah, see you then. Bye.